Okay, our Amazon delivery has arrived. We just received 60 pink and lime green noise reduction headphones for kids on the Airboat ride. Let's open up the box and see what they look like. Individually packed. Can you see that? Kids safety earmuffs. This is the pink pair. We've got a whole other box with lime green. Can kids take the Airboat ride? It's a question we're sometimes asked. The short answer, yes. Nobody gets wet on the Airboat. The Airboat propellers are loud, but from my experience, kids over 3 years old are usually not frightened by the noise. However, we just got a 2-star review from a customer who was upset because the Airboat was too loud for her 2-year-old. You know, I never even considered to post an age advisory on our website, but we should have clarified it. Since then, we've added information to the tour description to say Airboat propellers are loud and the ride is not advisable for children under 3. My apologies to Laura who wrote the review. The noise issue should have been made more clear. This was a mistake and I apologize. But I want you to know, we're not just adding a disclaimer and saying problem solved. We're going to fix things much better than that. Because starting today, Miami Tour Company will have beautiful kids' safety earmuffs on the bus for anyone who wants to use them. This means we are the only Everglades tour company to have seat belts in the bus. We offer free bottled water, a beautifully illustrated map, a souvenir photo at the park. We have sunscreen, mosquito repellent, umbrellas, and noise-canceling headphones for kids. And when my daughter comes home from school, she's gonna try them on and we'll see how they fit. Well, sorry folks, but filming the applying the earmuffs demonstration was not a success. The spokesperson we scheduled was not in the mood to film. And when she got on set, there was tension between her and the crew.
Good! Good!
Here's what the green pair look like. The easiest way to open them is just to hold at the end and pull straight down. There's a hard plastic shell around the outside. There's noise dampening foam inside and a soft ear cushion that fully protects your ears. I mentioned we purchased the headphones at Amazon. Well, someone on the Amazon website asked a question, do the headphones fit adults? The answer is yes, they do. So if you're an adult and you want to borrow a headset, just ask the driver. Another question I saw at Amazon is, will the headphones fit a 15-month infant? We don't have an infant on hand, but let's give it a try on Pink Bear and see if they work. Snug. They stay on. I say they're a good fit. This is not a comprehensive field test. It's a first-hand look to get the word out to parents and school groups. We have ear protection for you on our Everglades tour every day. Jovi and I will make a follow-up video showing the headphones in use on the Airboat. Until then, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page. To book a tour with us, call 305-260-6855 or visit our website, miamitourcompany.com.